हेलो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि एनएमसी ने 6 अक्टूबर 2023 को नीट 2024 का सिलेबस जारी किया है। इसमें हम बायोलॉजी के सिलेबस के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। बायोलॉजी में यूनिट फर्स्ट में डाइवर्सिटी इन द लिविंग वर्ल्ड, व्हाट इज लिविंग बायोडाइवर्सिटी, नीड फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन, टेक्सोनॉमी एंड सिस्टमैटिक्स, कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्पीसीज एंड टेक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की, biological bionomical nomenclature, 5 kingdom classification, silent feature and classification of Monera, protista and fungi into major group lichen, viruses and viroids, silent feature and classification of plant into major group algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm 3 to 5, silent and distinguishing feature and at least 2 example of each category. Silent feature and classification of animals, non-chordate up to phyla level and chordate up to classes level 3 to 5, silent feature and at least 2 example. यूनिट सेकंड में स्ट्रक्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट, morphology and modification, tissue anatomy and function of different part of flowering plant, root system, leaf inflorescence, cymose and racemose, flower, fruit and seed to be dealt along with the relevant practical of the practical syllabus family, Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Leguminosae, Compositae, Gramineae. Animal tissue, morphology, anatomy and function of different system, digestive circulatory system, digestive circulatory, respiratory, nervous and reproductive of insect, frog, brief account only, cell structure and function, cell theory and cell as the basic of life, structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, plant cell and animal cell, cell envelope, cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelles, structure and function, endomembrane system, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome, plastid microbodies, cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella, centrioles, ultra structure and function, nucleus, nuclear membrane, chromatin, nucleus, chemical constituent of living cell, molecules, biomolecules, structure of function of the protein, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid, enzyme types, properties, enzyme action, classification and nomenclature of enzyme, with cell division, cell type, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis and their significance. Unit 4 में plant physiology, photosynthesis as the means of autotrophic nutrition. Side of photosynthesis takes place a relevant pigment involved in photosynthesis. Elementary idea photochemical and biosynthetic phases of photosynthesis, cyclic and non-cyclic, and phosphorylation, chemosemantic hypothesis, photorespiration, C3 and C4 pathway factor affecting photosynthesis, respiration, exchange gases, cellular respiration, glycolysis, fermentation, anaerobic TCA cycle and electron transport system, aerobic energy relation, numbers of ATP molecule generate, amphiboolic pathway, respiratory quotient, plant growth and development, seed germination, phases of plant growth and plant growth rate, condition of growth, differentiation, de-differentiation and re-differentiation, sequence of development process in plant cell, growth regulators, exit gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, ABA, human physiology, breathing and respiratory organ in animals, recall only respiratory system in humans, mechanism of breathing and its regulation in human, exchange of gases, transport of gases and regulation of respiration, respiratory volume disorder related to respiration, asthma, emphysema, occupational respiratory disorder, body fluid and circulation, composition of blood group, coagulation of blood, composition of lymph and its function, human circulatory system, structure of human heart and blood vessels, cardiac cycle, cardiac output, ECG, double circulation, regulation of cardiac activity, disorder of circulatory system, hypertension, coronary artery disease, angina, pectoris, heart failure, excretory product and their elimination, modes of excretion, monotelism, urologilism, urocotylism, human excretory system, structure and function, urine formation, osmoregulation, regulation of kidney function, renin, angiotensin, atrial natriuretic factor, ADH, and diabetes insipidus. Role of other organ in excretion disorder, uremia, renal failure, renal calculi, nephrosis, dialysis and artificial kidney, locomotion and movement, the types of movement, ciliary, flagellar, muscular, skeletal, muscles, contractile, protein, muscle contraction, skeletal system and its function to the dealt with the relevant practical syllabus, joint disorder of muscular and skeletal system, myasthenia gravis, tetany, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, osteoporosis, gout, neural control and coordination, neurons and nervous system in human segmental nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and visceral nervous system, generation and condition of nerve impulse, chemical coordination and regulation, endocrine gland and hormones, human endocrine system, hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, gonads, mechanism, hormones, action, elementary ideas, roles of hormone disorder, roles of hormones as messenger of regulator, hypo and hyperactivity and related disorders, common disorder of easy dwarfism and acromegaly, cretinism, goiter, exophthalmic goiter, diabetes, addiction disease, important disease and disorders mentioned above to dealt in brief. Unit 6 Reproduction, Sexual reproduction, flowering plant, flower structure, development of male and female, gametocytes, pollination type and agencies, and example outbreeding devices, pollen pistil induction, double fertilization, post fertilization event, development of endosperm and embryo, development of seed and formation of fruit, special notes apomixis, parthenocarpy, polyembryony, significance of seed and fruit in formation, human reproduction, male and female reproductive system, microscopic anatomy of testes and ovary, gametogenesis, spermatogenesis, and oogenesis, menstrual cycle, fertilization, embryo development up to blastocyst formation, implantation, pregnancy and placenta formation, elementary ideas, parturition, elementary ideas, lactation, elementary ideas, reproductive health, need for reproductive health and prevention of sexual transmitted disease, birth control need and methods, contraception, and medical termination of pregnancy, amniocentesis, infertility and assisted reproductive technology, IVF, GIFT, elementary ideas for general awareness. Genetics and evolution, heredity and variation, Mendelism, inheritance, deviation for Mendelism, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, and multiple alleles, and inheritance of blood group, pleiotropy, elementary ideas of polygenic inheritance, chromosome theory of inheritance, chromosomes and genes, sex determination in humans, bird, honeybee, linkage and crossing over, sex linkage, inheritance, homophilia, colorblindness, Mendelism, disorder in humans, thalassemia, chromosomal disorder in humans, Down syndrome, tunnels, and Klinefelter syndrome, molecular basis of inheritance, search for genetic material and DNA and genetic material, structure of DNA and RNA, DNA packaging, DNA regulation, replication, central dogma, transcription, genetic code, translation, gene expression and regulation, lack of plant genome and human genome project, DNA fingerprinting, protein, biosynthesis, evolution, origin of life, for biological evolution, evidence for biological evolution for paleontology, comparative anatomy, embryology, and molecular evidence. Down contribution, Darwin contribution, modern systematic theory of evolution, mechanism of evolution, variation, mutation and recombination, and natural selection with example types of natural selection, gene flow and genetic drift, Hardy-Weinberg principle, adaptive radiation, human evolution, united biology and human welfare, health and disease, pathogens, parasites causing human disease, malaria, filariasis, ascariasis, typhoid, pneumonia, common cold, amoebiasis, ringworm, dengue, chikungunya, basic concept of immunology, vaccine, cancer, HIV and AIDS, adolescence, drugs and alcohol abuse, tobacco abuse, tobacco microbes in human welfare in household, food processing, industrial production, sewage treatment, energy generation and biocontrol agent and biofertilizers. Unit 9, biotechnology and its application. Principle and process of biotechnology, genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology, application of biotechnology in health and agriculture, human insulin and vaccine production, gene therapy, genetically modify organisms, beauty crop, transgenic animals, biosafety issue, biopiracy and patent, ecology and environment, organism and environment, population interaction, meteorology, competition, predation, parasitism, population attributes, growth, birth rates and death, age distribution, ecosystem pattern, component productivity and decomposition, energy flow, pyramids of number, biomass, energy, biodiversity and its conservation, concept of biodiversity, patterns of biodiversity, importance of biodiversity, loss of biodiversity, biodiversity conservation, hotspot, endangered organism extension, red data book, biosphere, reserve, national park and sanctuary, sacred groves. Thanks for watching this video. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो शेयर सब्सक्राइब लाइक और कमेंट जरूर